Hi everyone, you're with Emily Kennett. I have a really exciting workout for you today. Lots of items from around the house showing you how you can get a lean physique just with certain things that you already have in your home. Tomorrow's a really exciting day because we are taking a road trip to the beach to shoot some workout videos. So I am going to make the best of our time. This is something that you can do at home as well. I'm going to make sure that I'm packed up with eat clean foods for my energy and my proteins. And so two of the things I'm going to be making today, because it's me and I just need stuff that's super simple and fast, is going to be hard-boiled eggs and some organic quinoa for you vegans out there. Also, if you're non-vegan, it doesn't matter. This is absolutely delicious. It's packed with protein. So I'm going to make sure that I'm all packed up with good to eat foods tomorrow. While this is cooking, it takes exactly 12 minutes. Usually my workouts are 6 minutes long. I'm going to do 2 back-to-back, which means 12 minutes, which means 24 different exercises. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. I just grabbed all this crazy stuff, so we're going to see. If it doesn't work or if I screw up, I'm not starting over. You can forget that. I will just try and work with it and make it work and try to fix it into something else so that you can understand that when you're at home, just don't panic if you didn't do something right. Go on to something else. I chose laundry detergent because I like the weight of this. It's pretty heavy. I also chose like a smaller bottle. This is great for a substitute for dumbbells. You can also use laundry detergent or dish detergent, instead. This is also something that's great for lifting, carrying dumbbells. These, I really don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but they look like something I could do cool. This is something else that I'm going to be taking on my road trip. Tuna, it's just fast, easy, lean protein. So no idea what I'm doing with these either. I won't know until I get going. So this is all going to be pretty much a surprise. Watermelon, I grabbed this. I was like, this is crazy heavy. This has got to be, it's got to be 30 pounds. This is great substitute for a medicine ball. This is also really heavy. It actually feels heavier than a medicine ball. Sack of potatoes. One more thing that I'm going to do is fill up this bag with different kinds of fruits for some weight. I'll probably bring those on my road trip tomorrow too, so I'll fill it up with apples and bananas, and maybe not the bananas because that would probably bruise them because I'm pretty rough. Keep the bananas out. But I'll fill this up with whatever kind of fruits and vegetables and stuff like that just to give myself some resistance. I also have these. I'm like picturing a really ripped core coming out of these somehow on the floor. I'm not too sure exactly how, but I had a vision, so I grabbed these. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll see. So stay with me because this is going to be hot, sweaty, and major fat burning going on. Let's get started. So we did 1.5 cups of quinoa. I made sure I rinsed it first. Always check on the bag if you have to rinse it or not. And now it's come to a boil, and the water's come to a boil for the eggs. This is a trick that I use just to drop it in without hurting yourself. I like to make quite a few at the same time so that I'll have them for other days in the week. So this is going to take 12 minutes, so I'm going to put these 2 back in the fridge, and I'm hitting my button and we're getting started, and then this will be done. 24 exercises. I'm nervous already because I know this is going to be hard. Okay. Over face cloths there. be first one. Otherwise it'll be my part. I thought you would never beep. So, quinoa's done, eggs are done, workout's done, sweat is on. Make sure you get yourself plenty of water. I'm done for the day. I think that's good. Enjoy your post-workout meals. Enjoy your quinoa. Make sure that you like this video, hit the like button, share it with somebody that you care about. Make sure that you take something out of this. Any one of these things you can use as a weight. If you can push it, if you can pull it, if you can lift it, you can work out with it. So thanks again, and I'll see you at the next workout. Oh.